Meet the HOVERair X1 Pro Max. Today I am going to show you why this tiny flying camera is changing the way creators, travelers, and athletes capture content in 2026. Unlike traditional drones that require controllers, calibration, and flying experience, the HOVERair X1 Pro Max is designed to be very simple. While I am unboxing this, I must say that it's compact and small enough to easily fit inside the backpack without taking up much space. For creators who travel frequently or simply want something ready at all times, this is one of the biggest advantages because you simply carry it with you. The HOVERair X1 Pro Max is not just a drone, it's essentially your personal flying cameraman. One of the most impressive features of the HOVERair X1 Pro Max is its intelligent tracking performance. With more than 15 intelligent flight modes, including follow, side track, dolly track, cycling, skiing, and indoor follow, the drone can automatically track and frame your movement without requiring any piloting skills. What really stands out is its ability to follow subjects at speeds of up to 26 miles per hour, with burst tracking speeds reaching 37 miles per hour. Whether you are running, cycling, skating, hiking, or capturing fast-paced outdoor adventures, the HOVERair keeps up remarkably well while maintaining smooth and stable footage. I tested several tracking modes, including follow mode and side track, and the experience feels surprisingly smooth and natural. Instead of constantly thinking about controlling the drone, you can focus entirely on your activity while the HOVERair handles the filming. This makes it especially useful for solo creators, athletes, and outdoor enthusiasts who want professional-looking tracking shots without needing a dedicated camera operator. Of course, image quality is very important to me. The HOVERair X1 Pro Max can record in up to 8K resolution, delivering a significant amount of detail for creators who want maximum image quality. Whether you are filming landscapes, travel content, social media clips, having that extra resolution gives you more flexibility during editing. The footage also looks clean, sharp, and modern, making it easy to integrate alongside footage from action cameras, smartphones, and mirrorless cameras. Another feature I really appreciate is how quickly you can start filming. There is no complicated setup process. Just unfold the drone, select your shooting mode, launch it from your hand, and you're ready to go. So if I finalize this review, I will say this drone is great for travelers who want lightweight drone. And it's excellent for vloggers and content creators who often work alone. It's very useful for runners as well, cyclists, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want dynamic tracking shots without hiring a camera operator. And it's even a fun option for families looking to capture memories from unique perspectives. In my opinion, the HOVERair X1 Pro Max combines three things that creators care about most: simplicity, portability, and image quality. You get intelligent tracking, multiple automated flight modes, flexible control options through the beacon, and impressive 8K recording, all inside a compact, foldable design that weighs under 250 grams. So if you are looking for a smarter and easier way to capture footages in 2026, the HOVERair X1 Pro Max is fun to considering. all about today's review. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time.